Episode 87. This is the year 2024. The topic of today. Basically a blind nation. To be blunt, the leaders of all the nations that live inside a planet that have no clue of what it is. They have no desire to even try and figure out the design of the planet they were born inside. I know they appoint or hire people to figure out things, to find the truth about our planet that just spins around in orbit. And I must say is just suspended in a no-gravity orbit, with nothing holding it up. There are no chains wrapped around the planet, hooked to a fixed platform. Now why haven't the science community figured out the actual design of this perfect design they all were born inside? Your scientists are trying to figure out this planet as if it just happened. First mistake. If your scientists begin to study the design of Earth, on the premise it was built, then one day they may figure out the design of planet Earth. Well, that's not going to happen. This is why me and my team have decided to create 400 short video briefs on the actual design of your planet, the truth about your planet. We actually spent, let's say, 40 years investigating this planet called Earth. Let's see if we can unravel this mystery of our planet. Let's focus on three things: stones, wood, and the Earth's floor. This seems to be basically three solids. And let's add water to this mix. Some may say water is not a solid, but if you jump out of an airplane at 1,000 feet, you may think otherwise. In this year 2024, this image technology man created over 100 years ago, for some reason is actually showing the true knowledge that has always been embedded into the design of Earth. We know this because we have been comparing image technology each decade against the planet. A close watch on what effect image technology has on the planet. I will try and explain that. Advanced image technology can record what the human mind cannot see at first glance. We are keeping the greatest record of the design of Earth in your 100 years of films. You are going to have to help the science community out on this blunder they made. They have dropped the ball when it comes to understanding Earth's design. Fact. You are a design living inside a design. But this design you were born inside is all information that wraps inside and outside of your planet. What your scholars seek is embedded into everything they see. The reason they cannot find it. One reason it is too much information for the human mind to process. The information is compressed and on angles. This type of data we are born inside, you can actually invert it, or turn it sideways. Your planet design is very complex, and that is putting it mild. Your planet has a key that we have located. It took us a few years to understand it. But I'm here to say we have the actual key to planet Earth. This is why we are able to explain the design of Earth. And now we are putting our findings on paper. We will create 10 books on the true design of planet Earth. Whether your scientists like it or not, they will need to review our findings. It would actually take 1,000 books to even come close to try and explain this perfect design called Earth. Last I will say, man cannot destroy planet Earth. They do not know this at this time in history. When your scientists ever figure out the actual design of Earth, this will be when they understand that man cannot destroy planet Earth. And that is a fact. It was created. They were created. The only person that can destroy planet Earth, well, is the person that built it. And if man continues on their current path, we will leave a question mark behind that. You have the ability to figure out the design of your planet. Use your everyday image technology. Point it at your planet. Your scientist will need your help.